Hi friends, welcome back. This is JMGO N1 Ultra initial setup video. I just got JMGO N1 Ultra triple laser projector and I'm setting it now. It's booting up. It takes about 50 seconds to 1 minute for initial boot up, and then search for accessories, and here we are setting up the country. I would skip the setting it up with Android phone. You may wish to do so if you prefer that way. And OK to energy saving tips, network policy accept, as it supports Wi-Fi. It shows the network policy. In terms of service, I accept Google services. I would keep the location off. I would keep usage reports off. And for Google Assistant, I would allow it because it's helpful for searching across multiple apps in the machine. That's the model number it's showing up. Now for region and country, I would choose US. Now initial setup is complete. Now we'll go through the menu options. There are inputs for the two HDMI ports. I'm going through the settings now. Device preferences, about, and system update. So I'll check the initial system updates available for the projector, and there is one about 786 MB. So started installing the update. So it would take a while. I'm not showing everything in this video. It takes about a couple of minutes to complete this process. So system update is almost complete. And there is part 2 of system update. I installed that as well. Now the projector is restarting. Upgrading software or firmware. So it's almost complete. Rebooting. Again, it would take a while, and then the Android TV logo starts. and then the home screen appears. For some reason it restarted again. And it asks for Bluetooth remote control firmware update, so I would update that. It takes a while. Now going to check if any more updates are available. Nothing at this moment. Now here are the information on the model number, DLP version, MCU version, software version, Android TV OS version, and other details. I would choose automatic date and time based on the network. And here is the timer. If one would prefer timer, there are power on time type or sleep time type. I would choose language as English, United States to Canada. And keyboard default is Gboard, which is Google code. I would turn the share usage status. Off. And I'm here choosing the CEC control. I would turn it on because I would be using the shield on ER port. Standard for now. I would explore while testing it by changing different picture modes. Contrast, saturation, hue, sharpness, gamma, color temperature. I personally prefer warm, so I set it up initially. HDR mode on. There is a 3D mode available, which I will turn it on when watching 3D content. For now I am keeping MPEG noise reduction low, Luma control low, local contrast control low, MEMC low. And color tuner, I am retaining it as enabled. There is 11-point white balance correction, which is enabled. Contrast and other details have been selected. And system sounds, I would put it off. Sound style, I would choose moving. digital output auto so that it can pick up based on the content. There is 27 GB of initial storage after the OS and other storage which was already occupied. These are about home screen channels, how to customize them. So for now, I didn't set up anything on the home screen channels. I would keep enable video previews on and audio previews off. If we want to reorder off apps or games, we can do that for the home screen. Google Assistant on. Chromecast built-in has been enabled. Screensaver we can change here, and I would choose colors for now. When to start, we can choose the minutes. Location turn off. Usage and statistics or diagnostics off. Captions, I will turn it on. Display turn on for the captions. Text size, I would keep it normal. Here it shows that JMGO controller has been paired. It's a Bluetooth remote, and if we have any Bluetooth keyboards, we can pair them as well so that it's easier to type. Here, this is the keystone correction manual. So I'll choose keystone correction on startup, but I prefer the instant gimbal-like display correction. So that's working well. When we click on that autofocus, it will do the picture adjustments. And here we can do the digital zoom. And we can add to picture memory as well. And subsequently, if we change any setting related to picture or display, we can update that here by choosing the second option for any particular mode. And projection mode is front on desk. Brightness, I would turn it down lower. And there is smart eye protection which works well. Indicator light is for the power indicator, that's turned on. And here it shows the inputs. Input HDMI 1, HDMI 2, and the Android home screen, which is for the projector itself. And here we are seeing all the apps. These are all mostly delivered apps. Thank you, everyone.